Hi, I just got the MacBook Pro, but all the hubs in the market are either too bulky or don't have enough useful ports. With JoyDuo, it's all different. JoyDuo is not only a hub, the JoyDuo has all the ports you would need. It also functions as a mount for your MacBook Pro to provide you with a better angle and a more stable user experience. The HDMI port is great for work and entertainment. With the Type-C port, it can connect to 2 monitors at once. The 2 Thunderbolt ports on the side are capable of fast charging your MacBook Pro with 100 watts of power. It can also be used for fast data transfers and video outputs. The JoyDuo also includes a gigabit Ethernet port and a 3.5mm audio port. The JoyDuo has 3 USB 3.0 ports that can transfer data in seconds, and it can also be used to connect the keyboard and mouse. Even if you have to plug in a bunch of wires, the unique design of JoyDuo allows you to keep all the wires behind your MacBook Pro, leaving you with a clean workspace. Did I mention how much I love this material? The bottom is coated with soft silicone to keep your MacBook Pro stable and free from scratches. The design of the JoyDuo also helps improve airflow, which can prevent your MacBook Pro from overheating. Work wherever you want and take it wherever you need.